Words hold immense power. They are the building blocks of our thoughts and the foundation of our beliefs. They have the ability to shape our thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, our reality. Every word we utter sends ripples through our subconscious mind, influencing how we perceive the world and ourselves. When we speak positively, we plant seeds of abundance in the fertile ground of our subconscious mind. These seeds, though small, carry the potential to grow into something magnificent. These seeds, nurtured by conscious effort and belief, have the potential to blossom into a life filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. Just like a gardener tends to their plants, we must tend to our thoughts and words with care. Positive affirmations are powerful tools that can help us to harness the power of our words and create the life we desire. By consistently affirming positive statements, we reinforce these ideas in our minds. By repeating positive statements about ourselves and our lives, we can shift our mindset from one of scarcity and limitation to one of abundance and possibility. This shift in mindset opens up new avenues and opportunities. Affirmations are not mere wishful thinking. They are intentional declarations that align our thoughts with our deepest desires and goals. They are based on the fundamental principle that our thoughts and beliefs create our reality. When we believe in the power of our words, we begin to see tangible changes in our lives. By consciously choosing to focus on the positive, we attract more positivity into our lives. This is the essence of the law of attraction. This is the law of attraction in action. It is a universal principle that what we focus on expands. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery and transformation, let us remember that the words we speak are the brushstrokes with which we paint the canvas of our lives. Each word adds color and depth to our personal masterpiece. Let us choose our words wisely and create a masterpiece of abundance. Our words are the seeds, and our lives are the gardens they grow in. With intention and care, we can cultivate a life of beauty and prosperity. Quantum physics, a realm often shrouded in mystery, offers profound insights into the very fabric of reality. It delves into the smallest particles and the vastness of the cosmos, revealing the interconnectedness of all things. One of its fundamental tenets is that everything in the universe is made up of energy. This energy is the building block of all matter, from the tiniest atom to the largest galaxy. This energy is not static. It is in a constant state of flux, vibrating at different frequencies. These vibrations create the diverse forms and phenomena we observe in the universe. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are also forms of energy. They emit vibrations that interact with the energy around us, influencing our reality. When we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we raise our vibration, aligning ourselves with the frequency of abundance and well-being. This alignment can lead to a more fulfilling and joyful life. Conversely, negative thoughts and emotions lower our vibration, attracting more negativity into our lives. This can create a cycle of stress and unhappiness. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. This principle applies to all forms of energy, including our thoughts and emotions. This means that the energy we put out into the world will always return to us in some form. Our actions and intentions ripple out, influencing the energy around us and eventually coming back to us. By understanding the principles of energy flow, we can consciously choose to cultivate positive energy within ourselves. This awareness empowers us to shape our reality in a more intentional and harmonious way. This, in turn, will attract more positive experiences and opportunities into our lives. By maintaining a high vibration, we can create a life filled with joy, abundance, and meaningful connections. The affirmation "I am worthy" is a powerful declaration of self-love and acceptance. It is a recognition of our inherent value as human beings, regardless of our accomplishments, possessions, or external validation. So often we allow our self-worth to be defined by external factors. We tie it to our jobs, our relationships, our material possessions. But true worthiness comes from within. It is an intrinsic part of who we are. When we repeat the affirmation, "I am worthy," we begin to internalize this belief. We start to see ourselves as deserving of love, happiness, and abundance. This shift in mindset can have a profound impact on our lives, opening us up to receive all the good that the universe has to offer. Remember, you are worthy simply because you exist. Embrace this truth and allow it to transform your life. Success is not a destination, but a journey. It is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. When we affirm "I am successful," we are not claiming to have achieved all our goals, but rather, we are aligning ourselves with the vibration of success. This affirmation helps us to cultivate a mindset of abundance and possibility. It empowers us to take action towards our goals, knowing that we have the ability to achieve them. Success means different things to different people. It is not about comparing ourselves to others, but about living in alignment with our own unique purpose and values. Repeat the affirmation, "I am successful," with conviction, and watch as your dreams begin to manifest in your reality. Section 5. I am happy, choosing joy in every moment. Happiness is not something that happens to us. It is a choice we make every day. It is a state of being that comes from within, regardless of our external circumstances. When we affirm "I am happy," we are making a conscious decision to focus on the positive aspects of our lives. We are choosing to find joy in the present moment, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. This doesn't mean that we will never experience challenges or difficulties, but it does mean that we will approach these challenges with a positive attitude, knowing that we have the inner strength to overcome them. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination. Choose to find joy in the little things, and you will attract more happiness into your life. Section 6. I am healthy, cultivating well-being within. Our bodies are our temples. They are sacred vessels that deserve our love, care, and respect. When we affirm "I am healthy," we are not just wishing for good health. We are actively cultivating it from within. This affirmation helps us to develop a positive self-image and a belief in our body's innate ability to heal and thrive. It encourages us to make healthy choices that support our overall well-being. Remember, health is not just the absence of disease. It is a state of complete physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By embracing the affirmation "I am healthy," we can unlock our body's full potential for vitality and radiance. Section 7. The Echo of Joy, C.S. Lewis and the Power of Positive Energy. C.S. Lewis, the renowned author and theologian, once wrote, "Joy is the serious business of heaven." While his words were rooted in a spiritual context, they resonate deeply with the modern understanding of positive energy. Lewis believed that joy, like a ripple in a pond, has the power to spread outwards, touching the lives of those around us. When we cultivate joy within ourselves, it creates a positive ripple effect, uplifting not only our own lives, but also the lives of those we encounter. This concept aligns perfectly with the law of attraction. When we radiate positive energy, we attract more positivity into our lives. By choosing joy, we become beacons of light illuminating the world around us. Section 8. Practical steps to cultivating abundance. Cultivating an abundant life requires consistent effort and practice. It's not something that happens overnight, but with dedication, you can transform your mindset and your life. Here are some practical steps you can incorporate into your daily routine to help you on this journey. 1. Daily affirmations. Start and end your day by repeating the affirmations: "I am worthy," "I am successful," "I am happy," and "I am healthy." These positive statements can rewire your brain for success. Speak them with conviction and believe in their power. The more you believe, the more you will see changes in your life. 2. Gratitude journal. Take a few minutes each day to write down things you are grateful for. This practice can significantly improve your outlook on life. This simple practice helps to shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. By acknowledging the good in your life, you attract more positivity. 3. Visualization. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself living the life you desire. Picture every detail vividly. See yourself as happy, successful, and fulfilled. Imagine the emotions and sensations of achieving your goals. Feel the emotions as if your desires were already a reality. This emotional connection can make your visualizations more powerful. 4. Mindful meditation. Engage in mindfulness practices such as meditation or deep breathing to quiet the mind and connect with your inner self. This helps you stay grounded and focused on your journey to abundance. Section 9. A journey of positive transformation. The journey towards an abundant life is a process of continuous growth and transformation. It is a journey of self-discovery, where we learn to harness the power of our thoughts and beliefs to create the reality we desire. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself, trust in the universe, and never stop affirming the positive aspects of yourself and your life. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. Embrace the power of positive affirmations and unlock the abundance that is your birthright.